Now we go to news on the Uchence Wilson trial. Today, the court listened to testimony from a representative of a business establishment to which the gang members would often do business. The prosecutors tendered documents in court bearing the signatures relevant to the accused men and employees of that company. Now, TVJ's Kirk Wright has been following the Uchence Wilson trial and now joins me live. First up, Kirk, what happened today?
All right, so remember we told you that we were limited in some of the things that we could share with the court. Now, first up, two government witnesses in the trial who were also gang members told the court that most of the items of value from their robbery spree were sold to a business place in the corporate area. Remember also, we told you we were limited in some of the things we could share in the trial. We can't disclose the name of that business establishment. Well, with that said, the representative of that business was in court today outlining the procedure persons have to follow to do business with the company. Those include presenting a valid ID, fingerprint, telephone number, and as expected, they have to sign. The representative also said a computer-generated number is assigned to everyone doing business with the company. As it relates to the prosecution, they tendered into evidence documents outlining transactions some of the gang members did with the business over a 2-year period. It also came out in court that at least one of the documents showed 2 transactions carried out by Chantal Gordon with the business. Remember, she's one of 4 females charged in the gang. One of the documents showed Chantal received $142,000 from 2 chains and a bracelet.
Okay, so you spoke of that business, but what about the employees? Were they involved in any way in some of the criminal activities?
Well, it also came out in court that at least one of 2 employees were charged because he knew the items bought from the gang members were stolen. The men were described as 2 senior employees who regularly met targets set by the company and the ones who taught the representative we spoke about the job.
And who will be testifying tomorrow?
I think it is the representative of the business. Should be on tomorrow.
Oh, he
giving more testimony.
All right, thank you so much, Kirk Wright, with that report.